The Aura Social and Educational Project Center, in cooperation with the Curonian Spit National Park, has implemented the See and Save project in 2018 by building the Korolevsky Bor eco-friendly walkway. While protecting extremely sensitive dune and forest habitats, it provides a unique educational environment for eco-activities on the Curonian Spit. The project was funded by the German-based Baltic Sea Conservation Foundation.
Долгое время я двигалась по территории национального парка только как транзитный пассажир, но мне всегда хотелось выйти из машины, прогуляться по лесу или спуститься к морю. И вот год назад мне предоставилась такая возможность. Я познакомилась с Фондом сохранения Балтийского моря, и с Петром Толкером мы обсудили возможность создания образовательного доступного маршрута на территории парка Куршская коса. Мою идею также поддержал Анатолий Калина, директор национального парка, и мы начали реализацию нашего проекта.
Цель данного проекта – это развитие экологического туризма на территориях национальных парков и заповедников по всей Российской Федерации. Мы видим, что при изменении инфраструктуры меняется количество туристов, идет увеличение. Туристы наши меньше мусорят, больше смотрят на природу и удивляются тем местам, по которым они проходят.
It took a great deal of effort to achieve the project objectives. For all categories of visitors, a 900-meter-long wooden walkway has been built to help preserve the soil cover and root system of the trees. Smooth wooden planking makes the forest accessible to wheelchaired visitors. Within the frame of the project, the first wheelchair-friendly eco-toilet has been introduced in a Russian protected natural area. Just as planned, information panels, including Braille-enabled, were placed along the route, which was intentionally named the Alerting Ale. This is an effective memento of a multitude of unique animals and plants that had been completely exterminated as a result of human activities. The two gems of the eco-walkway are the wild boar and the roe deer. These art objects have been created by the architect Kristina Yevstigneeva with the help of young students from Kaliningrad Oblast and volunteers from the Moscow Technological University. Woven of natural materials, both figures perfectly fit the landscape. Each of them has become a selfie magnet. The open-air exhibition was created under the guidance of experts from the National Park, Clean Baltic Coalition, and Natural Heritage, Scientific and Educational Ecological and Tourist Center. The Alerting Ale has become a silent reproach that reminds us of species disappearing from our planet before our very eyes. Within the variety of exhibits, there is an object that inspires much deeper thoughts and reflections than just a piece of art. The figure of a dying seal is composed entirely of garbage and rubbish collected by staff employees of the Curonian Spit National Park on the Baltic Sea coast. Plastic bags, beer cans, glass jars and bottles, fishing nets, all this decomposes for centuries and seriously threatens wildlife and the environment. A bitter truth is that recent human activities are literally ruining the ecosystem of the Baltic. To develop eco-friendly conscience, a logical game has been created allowing any player to concentrate on Baltic Sea environmental problems.
Также для меня было важно создать условия для вовлечения людей в вопросы охраны окружающей среды и Балтийского моря. Именно поэтому мы разработали методические пособия для занятия на природе с детьми, в том числе с детьми с инвалидностью.
Two educational grounds have been arranged by the sea and by the Curonian Bay. Both are wooden pavilions with tables and benches. Full wheelchair access is available across both sides. Environmental enlightenment plays the key role in this project, both now and in the future. A team of professionals joined forces with employees of the Curonian Spit National Park, the Kaliningrad Regional Children's and Youth Center for Ecology, Local History and Tourism, and the Green Planet Youth Non-Governmental Organization. Together, they have developed a comprehensive package of environmental training programs. All of them are disabled-friendly. There were training guidance materials prepared and interactive games accessory purchased. on completion of trainers' preparation in eco-walkway classes for children with disabilities, the first series of 10 field sessions was organized, and many more will follow in the future. On the 6th of March 2019, a Youth Olympics ecological contest took place on the Korolevsky Bor walkway. 7 teams from 3 municipalities of Kaliningrad Oblast came to the national park to demonstrate their knowledge of the Baltic Sea and the Curonian Spit's flora, fauna and history. The contest referees were distributed across 7 locations along the walkway. The participants showed brilliant skills in identifying animal tracks, distinguishing plants, geography and ecology of the Baltics. As an add-on, each team presented a short play on environmental topics. The Eco Olympics was greatly appreciated by the children. The winners were awarded binocular magnifiers and everyone has got an event-branded souvenir. On the 21st of March 2019, the renewed Korolevsky Bor Eco Walkway was officially opened for the public. The opening ceremony has become the final event of the project. It was attended by the Managing Director of the Baltic Sea Conservation Foundation, Petr Tokla, representatives of Clean Baltic Coalition, various non-profit environmental and educational organizations from Sweden, Latvia, Slovakia, experts from national parks of Austria, Lithuania and selected regions of Russia, as well as representatives of environmental, educational and tourist organizations of the Kaliningrad Oblast. The guest experts visited the Eco Walkway, took part in interactive classes on environmental topics and looked through the project outcome. In conclusion of the opening ceremony, a round-table discussion was organized on issues and problems of creating an accessible educational environment in natural areas. The experts discussed important issues such as accessibility of infrastructure, specifics of educational activities in natural environments, development of interactive platforms, creation of art objects and other educational elements, and their harmonization with the natural surroundings. All participants of the roundtable discussion highly appreciated the implemented project in terms of both creating a multi-purpose disabled-friendly infrastructure and applying mixed media to educational process.
Для меня это был интересный опыт, не только как для руководителя проекта, но и человека, который имеет физические ограничения. Я работала в команде людей, которые были увлечены проектом и болели за него всей душой.